Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup. First, let's gather everything you need from your Toca Boca kitchen. You'll want to find a cooking pot, some water, and access to a stove. Next, look for chicken, noodles, and fresh vegetables like carrots and celery. Don't forget to grab some seasonings, such as salt and pepper, to add that perfect taste to your delicious soup. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare them. Take your chicken and place it on a cutting board. Use a knife to chop it into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Do the same for your vegetables, dicing carrots and any other veggies you chose. This step ensures everything cooks evenly and is easy to eat. Having all your ingredients prepped makes the next step super smooth. It's time to start cooking. First, add some water to your pot and place it on the stove to heat. Once it's warm, carefully add your chopped chicken, noodles, and all the diced vegetables. Stir everything together gently. Now, sprinkle in your seasonings, like a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper, to enhance the flavor. Let it simmer until everything looks perfectly cooked. Your delicious chicken noodle soup is now ready. Carefully take your pot off the stove. Using a ladle, pour the warm soup into a nice serving bowl. If you like, you can add a little extra garnish, perhaps some fresh herbs, for a touch of color. Now, sit back and enjoy the comforting, homemade chicken noodle soup you just created in Toca Boca. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.